In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the full screen video device used by VLC Media Player. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up VLC Media Player and select the Tools tab up at the top, and then go down and select Preferences. Select the Video tab, and then you want to locate where it says Full Screen Video Device. Click the drop down, and you can select which display you want the video to be displayed to. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.